Hiya, long time no see. Thought I'd do a quick catch-up video because it's been quite a while. It's 16th of September and I don't think I've done one yet, so it's been over a month. So I think it was the beginning of August I did one, wasn't it? I don't know, I can't remember. It's been a while anyway. So I thought I'd show you what I got. There's not a huge amount to show because I've been working slowly and designing and things. There's a lot going on, but I thought I'd quickly do this before I have a lady coming to learn to crochet because I've started up trying to start up a craft group in the village. I'm just looking for a venue at the moment. So I thought I'd knock this out quickly before she gets here. I don't know what time she's coming. I'm going to message her soon to find out. But I thought I'd show you anyway. So I don't remember what I showed you last time, what I was working on or anything, so I'm just going to show you everything I've got. So the monkey, which I know some of you have seen photos of for definite, he does have his other leg, I just haven't sewn it on yet. So he does have two legs, so he just needs his arms and his tail, and then he'll be finished. So that shouldn't take too long when I get around to doing it. The teddy that I was working along with, that is finished, other than needing his face, because you know me, and he needs his CE tag. I haven't put that on yet, but he is finished. And to go with him we have a small chunky there, and then another DK weight one which is there. So these two are done with the same pattern, but this one's done with chunky yarn and this one's done with DK yarn. So DK yarn I do a 3mm hook, chunky yarn did a 4mm hook. So the size is quite surprising, the difference. But as it happens, I don't know if I can show you this. When sat down properly on the table, they all sit like that, so they all touch each other's heads. That's the sizing that fits, so they're all just a little bit bigger than each other. And I'm going to do a chunky weight version of this one, so in theory that will sit just above this one's head, so it will sit, you know, up there somewhere. But I really like them, they've come out lovely. I've been having a little play with my pattern just to finalise and change a few little bits, so I will film that soon. The original was okay, but I just wanted to make it a little bit better, so that's what I've done. And then I decided I wanted to make an octopus yesterday, just for some random reason, and then I couldn't find the cute little octopuses that I know Sharm's done, I think Kim's done, possibly Terry as well. I can't remember who's done them, but a bunch of people have done them, but I couldn't find the pattern. So I decided to come up with my own, and what I ended up coming up with was a jellyfish first and an octopus second, because I suddenly realised the picture I had in my head for the shape was more of a jellyfish shape. So this is my jellyfish. And the pattern for him will be out at some point soon. It's all one piece, there's no sewing needed, obviously other than finishing off the end like you normally do. But he's really rather cute, and I do have an octopus pattern wrote out, some very bad notes. So I'm just testing it. I started it yesterday, but I actually ran out of this yarn, so I've just started it today in a different yarn. So hopefully I'll have that done, and a picture will pop up on Instagram later on today. So toy wise, that's about all I've done. And then I know a bunch of you know I've been doing crochet headbands. Well, now I have a very large amount of headbands. I can't possibly get them on my head and show you them, so I'm going to attempt to put them on my arm and show you, but this could be fun. I still haven't done most of the accessories on them, but a couple of them do have accessories, like this one's got its cat ears. Trying to put all the colours together. That one obviously has her ears. Getting there. Okay, so there we go. You can see it's going all the way up there. So we've got 3 of the lighter browns, 3 of the blacks, one of which does have ears on, 3 white, one of which has ears on. We've currently got 2 of the sparkle blacks, 2 reds, 2 fox colours, 2 pinks, 2 darker browns and 2 greens. And most of them will have accessories of some kind on them at some point. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21 of them. So I've got 21 almost finished, just needing the little accessories I'm going to add. So been a little busy on them, but they're for the stall, the craft store I'll be doing in November down the road. And then I've also managed to do some more on the scrap blanket. This is folded in half because it's too big otherwise, so it's twice the length that you'll see. So it's there. I don't know if you can see how much I've done on it now. Hopefully you can see that. I can't see. But it's getting there. It's big. As I said, it's twice the length. And it's big and it's cosy and it's now heavy. But it's getting there. And I'm not in a hurry to get it finished. It's just going to be made up of all of the Aran and chunky weight yarns that I have going free. So that's what's currently using. So I don't know how much more I've got, so it might have to go on hiatus until I've built up some more scrap yarns, I don't know. But it's getting there. So that's about all I've got to show you, really. I did do some stuff on the Prim Maxi knitting loom. I did film a video about using a DK weight, an Aran weight and a chunky weight on it, in the bits I like and don't like about it. But the focus was off. So I need to refilm the whole thing, because that was supposed to be out yesterday, but when we done final checks it just wasn't suitable to go out. There is also a part finished hat done on it, a chunky weight hat, which I haven't finished and I haven't got here to show you. I'm really not enjoying my knitting mill. I think it's because it's the Prim. It's too lightweight, so I have to really hold it down when I'm done, and that's really hurting my arms. And I don't know if the Addy one is heavier. Maybe Linny, if you're watching, you can let me know. But this one is quite painful for me to use. It's on the table, that's why I keep looking that way. And it keeps dropping stitches. The tension holder thing, useless. It just doesn't work. But I've seen that the Addy ones have a different type of tension thing, so I'm guessing that might work better. I don't know. But this has put me off of using a knitting mill. I'm probably not going to make much on this knitting mill, and I'll probably just sell it, and the spare one that I got I'll probably just sell. Or I'll keep them for people to have a play on at events and things or something. I don't know. I'm not enjoying using it. I personally prefer the hand and knitting for a more even thing. Maybe there's a secret to it and I just don't know it, but I can't work with it. So, oh well. But I will still redo the videos for them, and then that'll be it. I won't bother with them again. But I may get the Addy Express and King, is it? I don't know. That Linny has at some point, because she seems to produce really lovely work, so I'm guessing that one's just better quality. Either that or I just suck. Which is possible. Oh, and that's the lady messaging me about the crochet. Oh, she can't come round. She's got a poorly boy, so she can't make it round today, which is a shame, but oh well, never mind. I'll arrange for her to come round another day and I'll get on with some crocheting things. So yeah, that's about all I've got to show you. So hopefully this will be up today, the 16th, and tutorials will be coming back again. I know it's been a few days or so since the last one, but that's because I've had a few issues with focus, because I've moved the table, and so I'm in a different lighting area, so I think it's going to take a little playing to get the focus correct again. But we'll get there. So I will see you all soon. You all take care.